trochlear nerve would be passing right up from the cerebellum to the to this inferior portion of the brain. And then the abducens, I actually believe the abducens nerve was detached from the model, just by me being a little too rough with it. My apologies. But it ran right along here. Okay. And let's see, the next area to discuss would be the midbrain, which we can best appreciate by turning the brain back over and kind of, I'm kind of putting some separation between the cerebellum and the brain. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to look at it from the interior side. But this here, these at the very end, this is referred to as the corpora quadrigemini. Corpora quadrimina, with left and right sides. And the most upper portion is referred to as the superior colliculi, within the lower portion, see this lower bump right there, is referred to as the inferior colliculi. And the penile body is right here. And if we were to be looking from within, there we go. You can, so the superior, inferior colliculi, and then the pineal body is a little deep into that open area. So let's go over a few structures on the sagittal view of the brain. So the cerebrum here, the fornix, the corpus callosum is this area here. The lateral ventricle is right in here. The intermediate mass of thalamus is this clearly large mass right here. Again, the pons here, the portion of the brain stem that you can see kind of rounds up and protrudes upward. So the pons, medulla oblongata would be a little bit lower where it begins to thicken. Fourth ventricle is right in here. I'm sorry, fourth ventricle, yeah. Fourth ventricle is right in here. Right, it runs pretty close to the cerebral aqueduct. And corpora quadrigemini we actually had to view from this sagittal view because I was having trouble showing it the other way, but again we can see the corpora quadrigemini, the four together here with the superior and inferior colliculi, and the cerebellum and the arbor vitae. And the arbor vitae is, see those branches, those beautiful branches? That would be the arbor vitae. And then again, the pineal body, that little pine dot at the very far end. And that concludes our video for today. Thank you so much for your time.